Every AI coding session is a chain of powerful actions. Gateweave gives that chain a control plane, policy, evidence, and an honest record of what the target can enforce. Start where real teams start, connect a workspace, examine its policy, and keep configuration separate from live runs. The same local console makes the current project, its rules, and the review surface immediately legible. Then inventory, the agent supply chain. Gateweave keeps declared, observed, and effective capability evidence distinct. In this payment workspace, two artifacts are visible. One finding needs attention, and trust status is never hidden behind a green check. Admission is deliberate, not execution. A signed payment authorization artifact is inspected as text placed into a canonical request, verified and explicitly allowed at low risk. The evidence travels with the decision so reviewers can reproduce why it was accepted. Policy protects the shell before action, but it also tells the truth about observation. A credential read is recorded as a policy violation with credential baseline denied. That is detective coverage, not a claim of magical native file enforcement. The control path keeps running after admission. Locks preserve the approved identity. Drift tells you when a contract changes, and the console keeps the difference reviewable. Here, the bundled verification flags an MCP contract drift instead of silently treating yesterday's evidence as current. Codex is version gated. On Codex CLI 0.144.4 for Windows, narrow shell rules are natively enforced. Credential and default effect gaps remain unsupported, so strict compilation refuses to overstate coverage. The same demo bundles policy tests, allow and deny decisions, credential baseline checks, admission, canonical locks, drift monitoring, and strict coverage checks. All 9 inert checks pass. The review plugin turns those results into admission, decision, drift, and remediation conversations. Gateweave is offline first governance for the agents that build your product. Write policy, admit what you trust, observe the gaps, and ship with coverage you can defend. Gateweave.